Hey everyone, we have Kohinoor Mini Mogra 2 Basmati rice. So let's check it out. This is 10 kg pack, MRP 700 and we got it from Amazon for just 425. That's 43 rupees a kg. Link is given in the description box below. This is broken Basmati rice, actually tiny pieces only. There is not even a single full grain, all are small tiny rice pieces and the rice is completely clean. The color is on slightly yellowish side. To cook, first wash the rice 2-3 times thoroughly and then soak it for 30 minutes. For 1 cup of rice, boil 5 cup of water and add the soaked drained rice to the boiling water and cook it on low flame for 6-7 minutes, then strain it. If you're cooking in a pressure cooker, for 1 cup of rice take 2 cup of water, and after cooking the rice become fluffy and soft, not sticky at all. It's white with a glossy look and the grain is still small. It's fluffy and quite light to eat. Taste wise there is no problem. But there is no aroma of the basmati rice. So I will say for daily dal, chawal, khichdi or kheer, the taste and texture is perfect. Overall, if you are looking for a rice on a budget, this 43 rupees kg, it's an excellent choice. Definitely worth trying. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.